Today I'm going to show you how to create a pillow mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your rectangle tool from the toolbar. And click and drag to draw a rectangle. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Decrease the opacity all the way to 50%. Now press Ctrl-T to free transform. Then right-click and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again, and choose Warp. Open the grid list at the top, and select 5 by 5. Now use these handles to bend the shape, and match it to your pillows. Hit Enter when you're finished. Set the opacity back to 100%. Double-click on this, and rename it, Place Image. Right-click, and group from layers. I'm going to name this Design. Then press OK. Now let's disable this group layer first. Select the background or subject layer. Then from the toolbar, open your Quick Selection tool. Click and drag over the pillow to select it. With the selection active, let's enable this group layer. Then click on the mask icon to create a mask. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your design. Then go to File. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Let's go back to the file. And choose Save. Then close the document. Now select the design or group layer. And change the blending mode from normal to multiply. This time I'm going to make a shine to make it look even more realistic. So let's select this background or subject layer. Then make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl-J. Then drag the copy and drop it inside the group layer, above the place layer. Now right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter. And choose the Camera Raw filter. Open the Basic panel. I'll make the exposure -3.20. The whites +65. And then drag the saturation slider all the way to -100. Then press OK. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to screen. Now let's decrease the shine by dragging this opacity slider. So I think 50% looks good. We'll name it Shine. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.